Hello my lovely juniors, this is Ashok and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, that is chapter 6, we are learning about the leading automation companies and their area of services. Okay. So in this one, first company is the Siemens. Here I am going to explain some 5 companies which are the best in the world with their services as well as in the technology. So we'll see about Siemens now. In the Siemens, it was founded in 1847. The founder was Werner von Siemens. Headquarters is in Germany. Services are worldwide and employees are more than 3 lakhs and the revenue is the $62 billion company. It has services in industrial automation, healthcare, energy and also in automobile, my friends. They are the best in the world in terms of everything, technology and their services. In everything they are the best. Second one is ABB. It was founded in 1988 and the founders were Assis and Brown Boveri groups. It is not like any single person founded it. It was the group Brown Boveri groups from which it is made. That's why ABB. So the company name came from like this, and headquarters it's in Switzerland and services are worldwide. They have more than 1 lakh employees and the revenue is more than $29 billion. It was in the 2022, maybe now in 2023 it may cross more than 30. They have services in so many fields. Electrical, for the electrical substations they are the best and they have proved it, and they are also in process automation, energy and there are so many things about the ABB. I will tell. As of now I am telling only about the little bit information about the automation companies. Next time whenever I am coming with the detailed one for the each company, I will give you the each and every detail. Okay. So now the Ecogoa. So Ecogoa is famous for the customer support because they treat customers like a god, and wherever we are implementing Ecogoa, everyone likes it so much because the services, the way of interaction with the engineers and everything is fantastic. If you want to see our details about Ecogoa, it was founded in 1995. The founders were Tamsuke Ecogoa and Ichiro Ecogoa and Shin Alok. The headquarters is in Tokyo, Japan. Services are worldwide. The employees are more than 18,000 employees and the revenue is the $3.7 billion. And they have been in process automation, industrial instruments, and also Emerson company. This is also one of the biggest automation company, you can say. It was founded in 1890. The founders were John W. Emerson. The headquarters is in USA and services are worldwide. It has more than 18,000 employees and revenue is just less than Ecogoa. They are in process management, climate technologies, power technologies and so many things. Beckhoff Automation. This is one of the, if you consider it, till now 4 companies which I have explained, it will be about the DCS. Morely they are famous about DCS, but this Beckhoff is the, it is a kind of not a PLC, you can say it as a PC based technology, and the customers are liking it very much nowadays, the Beckhoff, because of its speed and its service, its technology. It's very good level. And it was founded in 1980, and the founders is Hans Beckhoff. Headquarters is in USA and services are worldwide. They have more than 4,500 employees, and I think this year it has reached $1 billion business. Maybe this is the old figure. They are in robotics, they are in PC based automation, they are in XTS. They have these are used in airports and conveyors. You might have seen all these. Okay. In the next chapter we are going to discuss about the data types. Okay, what are data types, why we are using it, where we are using in the program, all those information you can see it. So till then, see you, bye bye.